Let's dive in. Choose Draw Your Signature and sketch your signature using your mouse or touchpad. Then, download it with a transparent background. Prefer something polished? Type your signature. Type your name and choose from a variety of fonts. Download your perfect signature. The good news is, you can also add your signature to documents using BunnyDoc's free plan. You get up to 5 free signature requests. But before you can start enjoying all these fantastic features, you'll need to sign up for a BunnyDoc account. To set up your account, simply click on the Get Started button or scroll down and select Create an Account button. Your journey with us begins in just a few clicks. Add your name and email, and accept the terms and conditions, then click the Create Free Account. BunnyDoc will then send you an activation link via email. Head over to your email and click on the Activate Account link. Set a password for your account. Enter your email and password and click the Login button. Finally, let's show you how simple it is to use your signature. Click Create button under the envelope. Simply upload the document. If you are the signer, click I am the only signer. And add title if you want, then click on Next. In the editor, drag signature field where you want to sign. In BunnyDoc, you have 3 options for signing the document. 1. Draw your signature. 2. Type your signature. And 3 is upload your signature. Since we'll be using this signature we previously downloaded, select the Upload Signature option and then browse to select the file containing your signature. After uploading your signature, click on the Create button to place it on the document. Congratulations! You have successfully signed the document. Now, click on the Finish button to complete the signing process. To download the signed document, click on Options and choose Download from the drop-down menu. And now select Envelope File to download. Additionally, you have the option to download the audit trail for your records. Following these steps will help you efficiently sign and obtain the signed document with your chosen signature method. Click on the Choose File button. To upload the document directly from your computer, you can also upload files from a cloud storage provider. Enter the name and email address of your recipient. To ensure that your document is properly organized, add a title, and if desired, an email message. Then click on Next. You will be directed to a new page here. You can drag and drop various fields, such as name, date, and signature fields into the document, where you want the recipients to sign. Once you have finished organizing the document, click on Settings icon. Now, select the number of days after the document will expire. Next, enable the Show Me Links option. Finally, click on the Save button. Now, click the Send button to submit it for signature. The signature request has been sent to the recipient. To obtain the link, please navigate to the Audit Trail option and click the Copy button. Great! Share this document now using the provided link. BunnyDoc, an e-signature solution.